From the time we're kids, we're told stealing is a big no-no. It's one of the first things we learn. But what if I told you that for anyone trying to make something, anything, stealing is actually the secret ingredient?
Yeah, I know it sounds a little crazy, right? But stick with me, because this one idea can totally change how you think about creativity itself.
So where does this wild idea come from? It's from Austin Kleon's brilliant little book, Steal Like an Artist. This thing became a New York Times bestseller for a really simple reason. It gave people permission. Permission to stop worrying about being totally original and to just start making stuff.
Okay, so let's get one thing straight. We are not talking about plagiarism or being a thief. Not at all. We're talking about a mindset, a whole new way of looking at the world. It's about how to find inspiration everywhere and build the confidence to actually do something with it.
So, what does it actually mean to steal like an artist? Well, it's not just about looking at a painting and copying it, it's way deeper. It's about studying the people who inspire you, but then going a step further and figuring out why they did what they did. You're basically reverse engineering their creative brain.
And this brings us to a super important point. Kleon is crystal clear about this. There is a right way and a wrong way to do this. There's good stealing, and then there's bad stealing. And honestly, knowing the difference is everything. I mean, let's be real for a second. Is anything truly 100% original? Probably not. Even the Bible says it. There's nothing new under the sun. Every single creative act, every idea, it all builds on what came before it. And the difference between the two? Oh, it's night and day. Bad stealing is just ripping someone off. It's lazy, it's imitation. But good stealing? That's active. That's about studying, honoring the work, and then remixing and transforming it into something that could only come from you.
All right, so how do you actually put this into practice? It's a pretty simple recipe, actually. First, pick a hero, someone whose work you just love. Then do a little digging. Who were their heroes? Once you've got all those influences, you stir them all together in your own brain. What comes out isn't a copy, it's something new. It's you.
But here's the thing, even if you know how to do all this, there's still one massive hurdle to overcome. It's that fear that stops almost everyone in their tracks. The fear of just getting started.
Come on, you know what I'm talking about. We all do it. We wait. We tell ourselves we'll start when we're ready or when the idea is perfect. But this book just screams, that's a trap. The real secret is to just start making things right now. Forget perfect.
It's that classic question that just paralyzes us, isn't it? If we're not waiting for that perfect moment, then when is the right time to start? The answer? It's simple, it's powerful, it's right now. Seriously, you have to embrace the mess. You find your voice and your style by doing the work, not by thinking about it. Your imperfections are what make you unique.
All right, get ready for an idea that might seem kind of backwards, especially today. The book says one of the best things you can do for your creativity is to be a little boring. You know the myth, you see it on social media all the time. This idea of the creative genius who has to be super visible, go to fancy parties, be popular, and just kind of wait around for inspiration to strike them like a bolt of lightning.
But the reality? It's the total opposite. Real, meaningful, creative work is often quiet. It's boring. It's you staying home, putting your head down, and just grinding it out. It's about showing up every day and doing the work, not waiting for magic.
And you know what I think is the best part about all of this? It's not just a bunch of cool ideas. It actually gives you a roadmap for what to do next. That's what makes this book so different. It's not some stuffy academic textbook. It feels more like a super helpful blog post. It gets you all fired up, and then it says, okay, here's exactly what you're going to do now. And just look at these steps. We're not talking about climbing Mount Everest here. These are tiny, easy things anyone can do literally today. Start a folder of images you love. Buy a cheap notebook. Take a walk. The point isn't to do something huge. It's just to do something. So when you boil it all down, that's the real takeaway here. Look, you're going to be influenced by other people whether you like it or not. That's a given. So the only real question left is, who are you going to let inspire you and what are you going to make with it?